Take me 13 years back. I had a few books in my bag, stuck in the corner of the class. You were there in your red dress, and you wouldn't have cared less. It was on that fateful day. Believe me when I say that after all this time, all that I've been seeing is you. It's all that I see is you.
Fast forward to this day, there's still not much to say. We're pretty much the same, but hey, and now I am here with you, and you're here with me too. I can't believe we've come this far. Feels like reaching for a star. Oh darling, can't you see? All that I can see is you. It's all that I see is you.
Now that we're here, there's nothing left to fear, my dear. All we have is now, and now we're all we have. You're all that I'll ever see. It's all that I see is you. All that I see is you. Yes, all that I see is you. Da-da-da, da-da.